Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today I have my swap came in today, and it is from Nina's Crafty Mom on Instagram. We did a swap. Her name on YouTube is Marla Rizzo. Okay, so let me cut into it. I just got it today. Okay, here's the card. I think I'm going to take everything out so that I can take the box out of the way. But I will put this on my desk. It's so fun. Oh, you guys, look at this. Look at what she created. Oh, it's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Gorgeous. I love it. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to save that for last. And let's get into... So our swap was... what was it? 3 embellishments right here, 3 bows, and 1 item with a shaker element, and 1 mini stocking with some goodies. So this is, I think this is the stocking. I'm gonna save that one for later, but let's go ahead. Look at this topper. Oh, her bows are so pretty. Oh, I love it, Marla. It's so pretty. I love the cellophane shred. It's so cool. Looks like ice, you know, like winter. Look at how pretty the topper is. So she used a rosette and a die. And then there's a silver flower in the back, or starburst type deal. Looks really pretty. And then she put a layered flower on top of it with a pink gem. I love that. Oh gosh, yeah, I need a die cutting machine. I really need to get one. I am working on that. So here we go. Ooh, static. Look. Look at her bows, guys. It's so gorgeous. See, when you have a die cutting machine or a cutting machine, so she has little ballerinas and little Christmas trees, so pretty. And look at these little floral leaves, not leaves, wreaths. Winter, pretty paper. I love that. Look at this. We did pastel Christmas, so the options were pastel or traditional, and I picked pastel. And she is the hostess of the swap, by the way. And oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Look at all these layers. There's like a teeny tiny flower, and you have this one, and the green layer, and then the back one. So pretty. So pretty. I love it. She has a snowflake on this one with the pearl, and then she put some fibers here, some eyelash trim underneath, and this oval pearl. And I love this, the snowflake with the oval. It's so pretty. I mean, my goodness. Wow, Marla, thank you. Okay, so let's get into this one. I see unicorns on here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, look at, oh my god. What? She made an ornament. Oh, it's so pretty, Marla. Look at that. It's so pretty. You can see, and she used the tool. Oh my gosh, this sucker is thick. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Look at that. It is full, guys. I'm trying to shake it out, but it's full. Beautiful. Look at all these layers. She's got a die cut leaf, a white leaf. She's got the mint pom-pom trim. And she's got all these fun colors in here. And it's so pretty. And in the background, she has the little kids playing. I wonder what collection this is. This is so pretty. And the little baby blue ribbon with the mini pom-pom trim. Look at that. Another one. She's got the white going around the edges. It is so pretty. And she's got silver. I think this is ribbon underneath. Oh, it's so pretty, Marla. Oh my god. I love it. Oh. And the background is the unicorns and the ballerinas. So they're fairy ballerinas, okay? It's the exact. And it's purple. They're purple. I love it. This is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Let's go open this one. This one's so pretty. You guys, I'm so rude. Oh my god. Let me read the card. Oh, this is pretty. So it's a fabric sticker. I think it's a sticker, yeah. Fabric. Very cool. Look at this card. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Let me read this real quick. Thanks so much for joining in my first swap that I have hosted. I had so much fun putting everything together for you. Enjoy and have an amazing Christmas. Love, Marla, Nina's Crafty Mom. And then let's open this one. And look at that. It's a little bell with a dove. And it says peace. So pretty. And I love this ribbon. I love that. Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that, girlfriend? Cute. What is this little thing? So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, because I already saw what's in there. Look at this pretty poinsettia. And this one says Happy Holidays. And it looks like a belly band, but oh, it has feet. Oh, that's so perfect. Okay, I can leave this out. Super cute. Oh, she made me some. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love the purple. Oh my god, goosebumps, guys. You can't see it because I'm wearing a sweater. Look at the reindeers. Oh my god. These are die cuts. Oh my gosh, but I love these. Handmaids are my favorite. Oh my god. She gave me some of her stuff. Oh, Marla, thank you. I love it. You know why? Because I don't have a die cutting machine. And then also I don't have any of these, so this is perfect. Oh, look at the unicorn. These have stitches in them. And this is just a different size star. Oh my goodness. And she's got more. Oh my goodness. Oh, Marla, thank you so much. You gave me some die cuts. Look at these little flags. Oh, this is a Christmas bell. Oh, there's two on there. These are so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh, you even gave me circles with stitching. And these are ephemera. This is like a little wreath with a bow. And there's more doilies with the unicorns on them. Little ballerina girl. They're double-sided. It is so precious. Look at this itty bitty unicorns. Oh my gosh. She loaded this little thing. Look at this. This ephemera. Look at the butterflies. Oh my goodness. There's another star. It's a purple star. Marla, thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. Oh, oh my god. She gave me so much. Oh my goodness. I feel like I didn't give you enough, Marla. Oh my god. Just in this little box alone. This is so much. Oh my goodness. And another butterfly. Oh my god. Oh, this is just too precious. Oh, I love everything. Girl. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is so awesome. I love it. That little box. It held so much in there. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Like that was just not enough, right? She has this one right here. And guys. Oh, that is so precious. Oh. Poinsettia down, but we can recover. Oh, another one. Okay, maybe they're just loose. They're just loose on here. More of those pretty flowers. Look at that. And they're so perfect. I love that. Pink and gold. Look at the pink in here. Oh my gosh. Like she made already so many. So many. And look at this little baggie. Oh, the stocking, I mean. It's super cute. Look at this. Got it in a little glassine bag. This cutie right here. And one of her little tiny doilies. Oh, I don't want to open this. But we got to. Gotta do what I got to do. I'm going to reuse that, definitely. What is this? Like, others. Tiny. Oh, look at this. What? Oh my god. Wow, look at this tiny little flower. Oh my gosh. The little snowflake. Look at her tiny little bow. Oh my goodness, Marla. Wow, I love it. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. So she put these little, it's epoxy? Is that like the epoxy stickers or something? On top of the image. So she did that here too. So these two have the epoxy. And this one has the little pom-pom trim. The snowflake. Look at this tiny little star. Look at how tiny that is. Oh my gosh, thank you, Marla. Oh my goodness. That is precious. I love it. Oh my god. Yeah, and I'm definitely saving that. I'm gonna save this little topper right there. And then she added, oh, look at these. This little thing. This little candy ornament on a branch. That is cute. Oh, I love that. Very nice. And some of the what are these called? Glitter balls. And a pom-pom. Oh, okay, so it's on a wire, okay? So it comes just like that. That's cute. Dr. Seuss. That's what that reminds me of. Dr. Seuss. And then this little baggie. She put a little silver bow. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh. She shared her bling with me. Oh my gosh, look at all this. Oh, thank you, Marla. Thank you. Look at this. This one is so cute. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, dear. I appreciate this so much. These are so cute. I don't know where you got these, but I love those. Precious. Okay, so I'm gonna put that all back in there so I don't lose a gem. And I'm sorry for my dog. He is downstairs hollering at us because my son has a friend over. Oh, look at that right here. That is so cute, Marla. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, this little thing is loaded. What in the world? Ah, she gave me trim. And more shred. Oh, I love it. I love it. Girl. What is this? What? Oh my gosh, you guys see those colors? Oh, you can make a dangle with these. Yay! Yay! Thank you, Marla. Thank you. Oh my gosh, look at this color. It's so pretty. It's like a corally, light corally color. I don't want to say pink. It's not pink. It's not orange either. But look at that color. Oh my god, and it's still more in there. Oh, she gave me some of the wood veneers. And that's it for that little stocking, but that was so much. Thank you, Marla. So, okay, so she took these wood veneers, right? And she put the paper on it and put the epoxy sticker, I think that's called. I don't know. Oh, I didn't even notice that. She's got one little teeny tiny pom-pom right there. That's so cute. And the little pretty bows. So she shared with me everything that she used. Oh my goodness, Marla. Thank you so much. That is so much. That is a lot, girl. Oh my god, I just hope I gave you enough. Oh wait, you guys, I'm so sorry, but this little beauty here, I totally forgot. I'm so, because of all the interruptions, I keep forgetting where I left off. But look at this, pretty silver with the pretty no way, no, she gave me some more flowers. Marla, oh my god, girl, oh my god, she made a snowflake. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my goodness. Girl, oh, whoopsies. She made a rosette. Look at this thing. Oh my, oh, that's so cool. Half of the rosette is facing down and the other half is facing up. That is so freaking gorgeous. Oh, I love that. That is so unique. Oh my gosh, Marla, thank you. Look at all this stuff she made. And there's still more. Oh my gosh. Look at this, Anna. With her trim, her eyelash trim. So pretty. This little rosette has stars. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And it keeps going, guys. There's another one. Look at that Santa. He's like a peekaboo Santa. Look at how tiny that is. Oh, I love it. Wow. I love tiny. I love tiny. What in the world? This is so awesome. Sending it in a tube like this. That is a great idea, Marla. Look at this little skate. It has like shimmer on it. What is that? And it doesn't come off. What is that? It has this pretty little bow. This is a punched bow, or is this a die cut? And she's got layered, she layered the stars back here and the little doily and her little rosette. And the backing is an ornament. And it has shimmer on there, or foiling. That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like, that's not even the last one. Like, this is the last one. Wow. Oh my god, look at this, guys. So she used another die cut ornament. And she double layered the rosette and the stars. I love the way you use those stars. That is so ingenious. So this one's the skate, this is the stocking. And she put a silver poinsettia. There's a doily there. And her little bow. I love this bow. Oh my gosh. It's hard to say anything. Like, I can't even say there's a favorite here because they're all beautiful. This is beautiful. Like, this is beautiful. Marla, thank you. Guys, please check out her YouTube channel and her Instagram. You will not be disappointed. So thanks, guys, for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and ring that bell for notifications for the next upload. And see you on the next one. Bye.